Morning guys, going live. Patrick, Colorado Custom Covers and Decks out here in Highlands Ranch, and we're doing a repair. And the homeowner was wanting to just replace the decking. This is redwood. We're going to replace it with some composite. However, we ran into a little bit of a problem. So as we started tearing up this redwood, you can see some of these joists over here. I mean, they're just falling apart. Again, that's why we use our tape, because stuff like this happens, water dripping down over time. A good example also, if you want to find out if your joists are healthy or not and you can't maybe see under your deck, is walk on these brakes. So every brake you have, you're going to have a joist running right under it, both sides. And if you can see, when I step on that, we got about a ½ inch, maybe even a full inch of depression right there. That you're getting moisture and rot on the top of your joist, and it's starting to rot away, and come down. And over time, that's how you're going to get these breaks and these in your deck. So it's kind of a good way to tell. Colorado Custom Covers and Decks, guys. At Covers and Decks, our Facebook page, the Deck Answers on YouTube. We really appreciate all your comments, all your likes, all your shares. Take care.